My colleague Mosmi is now giving us all the details from East Delhi constituency.
Right, Aishwarya, the east is east and the west is west, and they all come under the banner of the national capital. Interestingly, East Delhi is one of the most populous and most dense constituencies, not only in the national capital, but also all over India. And yet again, East Delhi is connected from Okhla to Shahadra by the Yamuna River. So that's the one factor that prevails over others. And you are pitted. Kuldeep Kumar of the Aam Aadmi Party here is pitted against Harsh Malhotra of the BJP. Earlier it was Gautam Gambhir who preferred to stay out from the Lok Sabha contest. Gautam Gambhir had won with a big margin in 2019. In fact, it's not the first time that the BJP has dropped its candidates out. Earlier, Mahesh Giri had won the elections in 2014. And what actually, highlights the fault lines between the Aam Aadmi Party and the Congress is the East Delhi constituency. Sandeep Dixit had won this constituency in 2009, and yet again he failed to get that in his kitty. In fact, the Congress failed to get East Delhi in its kitty, and it went to the Aam Aadmi Party, and therefore Kuldeep Kumar is contesting the elections, is considered to be a grassroots worker, and Harsh Malhotra there on the other hand is pitting himself for progress and development. So we'll have to wait and see how that.
वोट डालने का एक्सपीरियंस हमेशा से अच्छा रहता है, क्योंकि हमारे कानून ने ये ताकत दी है कि हम ये तय करें कि हमारा जनप्रतिनिधि, हमारा प्रतिनिधि संसद में कौन होगा, कौन सी सरकार देश चलाएगी और कौन हमारा प्रधानमंत्री होगा। इसलिए ये अनुभूति बहुत अच्छी है और मैं दिल्ली की जनता से, पूर्वी दिल्ली की जनता से ये अपील करूंगा कि देश को सुरक्षित बनाए रखने के लिए, देश में से भ्रष्टाचार और भ्रष्टाचारियों को हमेशा के लिए समूल नाश करने के लिए 2047 में भारत को विकसित देखने के लिए कृपया वोट करने जरूर जाएं।
मैं तो दिल्ली वालों को धन्यवाद करता हूं कि 40 से ऊपर पारे में भी वो अपने बेटे, अपने भाई के लिए वोट डालने के लिए निकल रहे हैं, उनका बदला लेने के लिए वोट निकल रहे हैं। और अब की बार दिल्ली के लोग बाबा साहब अम्बेडकर संविधान को बचाने के लिए, इस देश के लोकतंत्र को बचाने के लिए वोट डालने निकलेंगे। और मैं सबसे कहना चाहता हूं, सभी माता बहनों से, सभी भाइयों से, कि गर्मी बहुत ज्यादा है, टेम्परेचर बहुत ज्यादा है, कई जगह लोगों को रोका भी जा रहा है, कई जगह वोटिंग स्लो भी कराई जा रही है जानबूझ के। लेकिन मैं आपसे कहना चाहता हूं कि आपको इस तानाशाह लोगों को उखाड़ के फेंकना है। ये लड़ाई इस देश के लोकतंत्र को बचाने की लड़ाई है, तो आपको निकलना पड़ेगा। और इस देश के इतिहास में आपका नाम दर्ज होगा कि इस देश के अंदर जब तानाशाह लोग काबिज थे, उनको उखाड़ फेंकने के लिए दिल्ली के लोग 40 डिग्री टेम्परेचर बाहर निकले थे।
This is East Delhi that we're talking about, where BJP's Harsh Malhotra is squaring off with Aam Aadmi Party's Kuldeep Kumar, the youngest councillor at the age of 27. Now, what really stands out as far as East Delhi is concerned is that the battle here is an important one. East Delhi, where Gautam Gambhir was the MP, the BJP, in fact, has changed the candidate from East Delhi not once, but in several occasions in the past as well. Mahesh Giri in 2014, 2019, we saw Gautam Gambhir, and now Harsh Malhotra. An interesting battle. Remember, this is the constituency where I was during the course of the election campaign, and where Bijli, Pani, Sadak is a big concern, including that landfill, the biggest one in Asia, the shame of Delhi, really, that you see burning year after year, in fact several times in a year, is in East Delhi. And when I went on ground zero, a lot of people said, which is that MP who is going to do away with this landfill and solve the problem of the landfill?